Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. Today I'm going to share with you how you can combine different type of files, different type of Word documents into one document without directly opening each and every one of them and copying the content into one. So to start with, let me show you the three files that I want to convert. They are quite small, so just for ease of understanding. So the first one talks about animation. When you open it, you can see it's just a one page talking about animation, nothing serious. The second one talks about hydraulic engineering. It's just a two paragraph, nothing serious. And then the last one talks about river. Okay, it's just two paragraphs, also 2 to 3 paragraphs. We want to collapse all this into one Word document without us copying the content of each. You can find this very much handy when you deal with a lot of Microsoft Word documents that you need to put in one into another without you having to open each and every one every time. To start with, all you need to do is to come over to your search bar and search for a fresh Word document. You can open a new Word document where you are going to put in all the three together. So you open a blank document. So all you need to do is to come over to insert here and go straight all the way to objects. You click on the drop down and you can see object and you can see text from a file. So you just select text from a file and then navigate directly to the file where you save those documents. So mine are in these docs and you can see the three of them: animation, hydraulic engineering, and river. Okay, so all you need to do is to select all of them and then you click on insert. Once you click on insert, it's going to bring in all of them into the same document. Mind you, the arrangement is going to be as you arrange them in the folder. If you want to change the arrangement, then you have to change the arrangement the way they are in the folder. Okay, so this is animation, this is hydraulic engineering, and then this is river, the last one. So very easily you can do all that, and then after you have it in one folder, you can easily come over here and save it. You can browse to a different document and you can maybe name it all, or you can go to the same folder and you can put all, and then you can save directly. You can save in Word and you can easily convert it also to PDF or other formats that you want. Okay, very easily. So this is the easiest way to combine Microsoft documents into one document. So you can see it's already here. You can just click on it and it will open directly. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.